Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to record your screen in CapCut. Now what we're currently seeing here is not the desktop version of CapCut. This is actually the web version of CapCut. So when you get to the web version of CapCut, you will find yourself here, and when you go to the left sidebar where you have some options here, you're going to go under upload where you have these options. You can see from your phone, you can see record and edit with reference. Of course, we're trying to record our screen, so we're going to select this second option here. And when you click on it, you have four options. You can record with your webcam, record a tab on your browser, or record the entire screen. Then you also have the option to record audio. You also have the option to install an extension to record with more features, and you can simply click on install if you'd like to explore that option. However, we're just going to show you two examples. The first example is to record a tab. So when you click on it, it's going to bring this dialog box where you can select the option which you'd like to record. If you're doing this for the first time, you will need to allow CapCut to use your microphone and camera. So we're going to click on allow. And right here, you have the option to choose from your browser tab, the window, or entire screen. We're going to click on the first option here. You could also click on also share tab audio. As you can see here, it's toggled on, and we're going to click on share. And now we've selected the tab. You can see that the camera is not turned on because we didn't want that. And you can select the microphone that you want to. After doing all of that, you can click on record. And after the countdown, you're going to have the record timer start. And then we could go through the website as we wish to. When we're done, we can click on stop recording. And you can see a preview here, and we can click on save and edit or start over. If you don't like what you recorded, you can simply click on discard. Now that we've saved our recording, you can see where you can actually edit what you've recorded. Of course, if that's all good, you can click on export and you get the chance to download it into your computer. So this is how to record your screen in CapCut.